Hello guys, today I want to share with you simple home remedy that you can use to get rid of cough. 3 ingredients are required to do this. And what are the ingredients? Number 1 is honey. Number 2 is lemon. And number 3 is cinnamon. But what you are going to use is the grinded cinnamon. How do you go about this? You just need a teaspoon of honey, a pinch of cinnamon, and your lemon juice. Just combine the three together and mix it very well. This serves as your homemade cough syrup. Just drink it. So whenever you have symptoms of cough, don't wait until you are done with cough. Just quickly rush and do this home remedy. Drink it and you'll be okay. A trial will convince you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NK Tonia, and share your experience in the comment section. Bye and see you next time.